With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that is given over here is restriction enzyme. The first option is recognize the specific sequence and cleave RNA at the specific sequence. And the second option is do not recognize or cleave the specific sequence. And the third option is recognize specific sequence and cleave at specific sequence of DNA. And the fourth option is restrict growth of bacteria. So to solve this question, let us first understand what are restriction enzymes, or they are also called as restriction endonucleases. So what does this endonuclease mean? So the name itself tells endo refers to inside and nuclease refers to an enzyme that will cut the nuclear material. Nuclear material here is nothing but the DNA. Okay, so because it cleaves or cuts the DNA or the nuclear material, it is known as nuclease, and we call it as restriction enzyme or restriction endonuclease because it recognizes the specific sequences of DNA and makes a cut over there. For example, let us just consider the DNA that I'm showing here in green color. So if I want to make a cut over this DNA after the 4th and 5th nucleotide, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now I want to make a cut between the 4th and the 5th nucleotide. So what I can do, I'll use this restriction endonucleases that will specifically act on the nucleotides between the 4th and the 5th nucleotides and will make a cut over here. So these enzymes that will make the specific cut on the specific site of the DNA are referred to as restriction enzymes or restriction endonucleases. Now let us see the options. The first option is it recognizes the specific sequence. Yes, it recognizes the specific sequence, but it does not cleave the RNA but is useful in cleaving the DNA. Next, let us see the second option. Do not recognize or cleave the specific sequence. No, nuclease itself tells us that it cuts the specific sequence. Well, let us see the third option. It tells us that it recognizes specific sequence and cleave its specific sequence of DNA. So this is the right answer. And let us see the fourth option. It restricts the growth of bacteria. This is absolutely wrong answer. And the right answer for this question is the third option. That is, restriction enzymes recognize specific sequence and cleave its specific sequence of DNA.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.